Good afternoon, all of you. I am Professor Sonam Vijay Velanskar from EEE Department of ICEEM Engineering College of Engineering, Polytechnic and MBA, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Today I will explain what is the diffraction of light, which is the point under engineering physics syllabus of first year of engineering. So we will see what is the diffraction of light. Now we will see what is the diffraction of light. First, we know diffraction means is nothing but the bending of light. Diffraction is all about of bending. Means when light is incident on any obstacle or any aperture, then it will bend at the edges of the obstacle. If we see this is the obstacle and this is the source of light, then at the edge of the obstacle, when the light is bended, then it is known as diffraction of light. At the output of the at the last or at the output of the obstacle, if we consider there is a screen, then due to this bending, there is the shadow is obtained on the screen. This is known as the diffraction of light. This is the basic concept of diffraction of light. Now we will see from the exact operation or exact diagram what is the diffraction of light and what are its types. First we will consider one source of light. This is the monochromatic source. We consider it as S. Then after that lens is taken. After that there is some part which is having the slot in between. Due to that, when light is incident on the screen, then light is incident from screen, it is obtained on the this part. Then after that, if we consider here obstacle, if we consider this as obstacle, we denoted as AB obstacle. At this edge, this is the edge of the obstacle. This is the sharp edge of obstacle. At this edge, there is the bending of light. This is the plane of light. If there is bending of light and shadow is obtained on the screen, this is the screen is here, then this total part is known as geometrical shadow, which is obtained on screen. This is nothing but the bending of light at the edge of the obstacle, and this bending is known as diffraction. Okay, so we will see what is the exact definition of diffraction. Then diffraction is nothing but when light falls on any obstacle or small aperture, means it is obstacle having the small length. When light falls on the small object or aperture or obstacle, then at the sharp edge of the obstacle there is the bending of light. If we consider any example of this, means this is the duster. If we incident any light on the duster, then at the this is the light of the source. When it is comes on this duster, then it is bent at the sharp edges of the duster. Then when it is obtained on any screen or any board which is kept at the output of the duster, means at the last point, then due to this bending there is shadow is obtained of the light on the screen. This is the example of diffraction of light. So definition is that when the light falls at the edge of the small aperture or obstacle, then at the edge there is the bending is done or bending is produced. This bending is known as the diffraction of light, which is obtained on the screen at the output side. Due to that, geometrical shadow is obtained due to this bending, and due to this geometrical shadow there are number of rings or number of fringes are obtained at the screen. This is known as fringes or rings. These rings are of bright and dark rings. Means some are the bright and some are dark. At this point there is dark, then bright ring, then dark ring, then bright. Means alternate rings are obtained. This is the exact diffraction of light. Now we will see what are the types of diffraction. There are two types of diffraction. First is Fraunhofer's diffraction, and second is Fresnel's diffraction. These are the main types of